walk around king bed, large slide out, large kitchen, and a bathroom, all in 22 feet. Sound interesting to you? Let's check it out. Hey everyone, Ty the RV guy here with Rangeland RV, and behind me is the all-new 2025 Campsite Ultra 19KB. If you are looking for an exclusive trailer that not many people in Canada own, this is the product for you. And the reason why is because this is an exclusive trailer for Rangeland RV. We're the only dealership in Canada that carries this brand, and they are absolutely beautiful. We're gonna jump right into it here.
1, 2, 3, 4.
A unique touch that you're gonna see on the Campsite Ultra here is this massive front windshield. This is automotive grade windshield glass, because I know what you're thinking, right? There's gonna be some rocks and things like that. This is just like the windshield in your car. So if it does chip, it is repairable. And we can also even look at doing some custom covers for you as well. But when you think of that window, picture laying in that king size bed that's out front here, and you get those awesome views right into your campsite. Really cool stuff. Follow me around this side of the trailer here, and we'll talk about some other cool exterior touches. There's two different levels for your campsites. You have your Campsite Reserve, and we have this here, which is the Campsite Ultra. One of the big benefits you're gonna get with this product is, of course, that fiberglass exterior. Now, we do get some hail here in Alberta, so this is a great touch to have on your trailer because you're gonna be able to protect it against that hail that may come every year. Now, let's talk about some other cool stuff. So underneath the trailer here, we have full power stabilization jacks. We have enclosed underbelly as well to protect those tanks. Outside power awning with the LED light strip. And Campsite does a really cool touch with their suspension system here. This is a leaf spring style suspension, but we got red brake drums on here, cleans that look up a little bit on the trailer. And they've also put shock absorbers in there to give you that nicer ride on the trailer and help protect your investment over the years of towing. Glass entry door as well too. Looks really sleek, but it also makes that door a little bit heavier as well, so it's easier to close. Easy entry steps to get up inside your trailer, nice firmly mounted to the ground there so you're not shaking or bouncing around while you're going in. And as we work our way around to the back here, we got a standard backup camera on there for you as well. 2-inch receiver down on the bottom, so if you have a bike rack or something like that, you got that extra storage space that you can use. And just beside me here, we have a tankless hot water system. That's right, if you want to take a 45-minute shower out at the campground and you got full water and sewer hookups, you can absolutely do that. That's just a look at some of the features on the outside, guys, but I'd love to bring you inside and talk about this really cool floor plan. So now that we're inside this 19KB, first thing I want to talk to you guys about is this beautiful kitchen layout that they've set up. And they've introduced a lot of really cool features in here. So for an example, I love the fridge that they've done. So this is actually a French door style fridge with a pull-out freezer. It's a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator as well. So to top that off, they've even put solar on top of this trailer. So if you're big into off-grid camping where you might not have access to power, you're going to be able to keep that battery charged up. And even if you do it for longer periods of time, we can introduce more solar, lithium batteries, whatever it may be to accommodate the exact style of camping you like to do. Now, diving a little bit deeper into this kitchen, they've introduced some really cool features like your 3-burner cooktop here, which generally in small trailers, you might only see 2. They got the LED light up dials for you as well, which work great as a night light. And underneath this, a big popular feature for the campsites is the air fryer convection microwave. Really cool touch they've done there. Nice little finishings as well. So all your countertops in here are a solid surface style countertop. We got a tub stainless sink, so no plastic, and a high-rise faucet with a cup washer as well too. Love that little touch. A lot of people ask as well too, where's the range hood for when you're cooking inside here? Well, Campsite's done something a lot different for you, and they introduced a max air fan instead of that range hood, which is really cool because this is actually going to give a lot more suction than those little tiny fans that have. So if you want to cook inside here, you're going to be able to get all of those smells out, but it also helps keep your trailer cooler as well. On the topic of keeping your trailer cool, this has a full ducted air conditioning system in here, which is Bluetooth controlled and a dehumidifier. So again, if you like to do that early season or late season camping, just like that enclosed underbelly, this is going to be another perk for you, because now you're able to keep that moisture down inside this trailer if you're doing that, early spring, late fall camping. Jumping over to the slide out here, guys, we have your couch and a lot of extra storage up above it as well for you too. If you need an extra sleeping space, this sofa is going to break down flat into that bed for you so that you can accommodate some more guests. So a big plus for you inside this little 22-foot trailer here is we got a king size bed that's fully walk around inside here. So very easy to make the bed, easy to get in and out, and you're also not going to be sleeping on top of each other in a small little trailer style bed. So it gives you that creature comfort from home. Right beside your bed as well, we got a nice TV up on the wall for you as well, which can pivot into your bedroom or towards the couch, whichever you prefer. Lots of storage all the way around us here, hanging wardrobe, and even storage underneath the bed, but they've done a little touch for you there to make things a bit easier as well. So underneath, we're going to have some pull-out drawers for you, so it's very easy to utilize that storage, but you can also lift the bed up to access that storage as well too. Last but not least, let's jump inside the bathroom here and have a look at some of the features in there. So standing inside the bathroom of this 19KB, you can see it's quite spacious in here. We have a full 3-piece bathroom, so foot flush toilet. We got a nice vanity here with a medicine cabinet and storage underneath as well. Just around the corner here, there's actually some nice shelving as well for you where you could roll up some towels and keep it nicely stored in there. And of course, the massive shower here as well too, guys. So I'm about 6 feet tall, and I can easily stand in this shower without hitting my head. My head's not in the skylight. I got easy access to the shower head here. Very spacious, and the glass doors really help keep that water in and keep everything clean, along with the plastic shower round to keep that water from damaging the walls. And again, another touch, they've introduced the max air fan in the bathroom now too. So you have 2 of them that you can use on 12-volt power for help keeping your trailer nice and cool. That pretty much wraps up this quick look here of the 19KB, guys. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, don't be shy to reach out to us on our website, or feel free to give the dealership a call as well too. I'm Ty the RV Guy, and happy camping.